Here is a complete 30-minute style documentary script in English on business success, written as one continuous, high-quality narrative without timestamps, designed to be impactful and beneficial. Documentary: The Path to Business Success. Opening scene: in a world driven by ambition, innovation, and relentless competition, one question echoes in the minds of millions. What does it truly take to build a successful business? Is it luck, talent, timing, or something deeper, something unseen? This is the story of business success, not as a destination, but as a journey filled with risk, failure, resilience, and transformation. Chapter 1: The Idea. Every great business begins with an idea, not always a perfect one, not always revolutionary, but an idea that solves a problem. The truth is simple: successful businesses don't chase money, they solve real problems. Look around you. Every product, every service, every innovation exists because someone saw a need and decided to act. But ideas alone are not enough. Millions of people have ideas. Only a few act on them. Why? Because action requires courage. And courage means stepping into uncertainty. Chapter 2: The Fear Barrier. Fear is the first and biggest obstacle in business. Fear of failure, fear of losing money, fear of judgment. Most people never start, not because they can't, but because they're afraid. But here's the reality: failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success. Every successful entrepreneur has failed, many times. Failure teaches what success cannot. What doesn't work, where to improve, how to adapt. Those who succeed are not fearless. They simply move forward despite fear. Chapter 3: The Power of Consistency. Success is not built overnight. It is built daily, through small, consistent actions, one sale at a time, one improvement at a time, one lesson at a time. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats motivation, because motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. The most successful businesses are not always the smartest. They are the most consistent. Chapter 4: Understanding Value. A successful business creates value. Not just products but experiences. Not just services but trust. Ask yourself, why should someone choose your business? What makes you different? What problem are you solving better than others? Customers don't buy products, they buy solutions. And when you truly understand your customer, you unlock the foundation of success. Chapter 5: The Role of Failure. Every setback carries a lesson. A failed product teaches market understanding. A financial loss teaches discipline. A bad decision teaches wisdom. The difference between failure and success lies in response. Some people quit. Others learn and grow stronger. The most successful entrepreneurs see failure as feedback, not defeat. Chapter 6: The Importance of Mindset. Your mindset determines your direction. A negative mindset sees problems. A positive mindset sees opportunities. In business, challenges are guaranteed. Competition, financial pressure, uncertainty, but mindset shapes how you respond. A strong mindset says, "I will find a way," and that belief alone changes outcomes. Chapter 7: Building Relationships. No business succeeds alone. Behind every successful business is a network. Customers, partners, mentors, team members. Relationships build trust. Trust builds loyalty. Loyalty builds long-term success. People don't just buy from businesses. They buy from people they trust. Chapter 8: Adaptability. The world is constantly changing. Markets evolve. Technology advances. Customer needs shift. Businesses that fail to adapt disappear. Success belongs to those who learn continuously, embrace change, stay flexible adaptability is not optional. It is survival. Chapter 9. Hard work vs. smart work. Hard work is important, but it's not enough. Success requires strategy, planning, efficiency. Working harder without direction leads to burnout. Working smarter with purpose leads to growth. The key is balance. Work hard but think smarter. Chapter 10. Patience and time. Success takes time. Not days, not weeks, but years. Many people quit too early just before their breakthrough. They expect fast results in a slow process. But real success is built slowly and lasts longer. Patience is not waiting. Patience is working consistently while waiting. Chapter 11. Financial discipline. Money management is critical. Many businesses fail, not because they lack customers, but because they lack financial control. Successful businesses track expenses, manage cash flow, plan for the future. Earning money is one skill. Managing money is another. Both are essential. Chapter 12. The role of passion. Passion fuels persistence. When things get hard, and they will, passion keeps you going, but passion alone is not enough. It must be combined with discipline, learning, action. Passion starts the journey. Discipline completes it. Chapter 13. Learning never stops. The business world evolves daily. What worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. Successful entrepreneurs never stop learning. From books, from experiences, from failures, from others, knowledge is power. But applied knowledge is success. Chapter 14. The real meaning of success. Success is not just money. It is freedom, growth, impact. A truly successful business solves problems, creates opportunities, improves lives. Money is a result, not the purpose. Closing scene. So what does it take to build a successful business? It takes courage to start, strength to continue, wisdom to adapt, patience to endure, and most importantly, belief. Belief in your idea, belief in your journey, belief in yourself, because in the end, success is not reserved for the lucky. It is earned by those who refuse to give up. The journey is not easy, but it is worth it, and your story could be the next one that inspires the world. If you want, I can also convert this into a YouTube video script with voiceover cues, add real life business examples, or translate it into Urdu for better understanding.